A hot mess. Wait till it gets louder. This boy is over here calling the hogs, and they have the nerve to talk about me snoring. Hot mess.